everyone, it's Nala. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here for another project share. This is my latest completed journal and this will be listed in my Etsy shop. I showed you how I did the cover from scratch. There is a tutorial that is linked in my description if you're interested and you have not watched that tutorial. The size of this journal is 8 3/4 by 4 3/4. There are 3 signatures and I use the 3-hole pamphlet stitch binding. I originally planned to do only 2 signatures, but I am happy with the way it ended up. And again, this has 3 signatures now. The pages are embellished with tucks and pockets. There are plenty of inserts and tags, but there are also plenty of space for writing. So this is still a writing journal. I really had fun putting all the pages together and decorating the pages, and I do hope that this journal finds a new home very soon. So this is the back of the journal, very simple, and then the closure has the teal crinkled seam binding, which is also available in my Etsy shop. I used a variety of papers from my stash for the inside pages. There are wonderful sentiments that are positive and about creativity. And I picked really good images and soothing to the eyes. So I hope that you will like this as much as I do. The closure is attached to the cover, but I added an extra piece that can be used for tags or for some projects or for something else. So this is separate from the closure. And the title of this journal is Do What You Love. So this is about creativity. This is a good place to put your thoughts down and write your plans, your goals, what you love to do, and add your work and images to the inside pages and make this journal your own. Okay, so let us take a look at what's inside. I will play the music and we'll be back shortly. I forgot to mention also that some of the pages are from Stamperia Imagine paper pad collection and from the pages of Edith Holden book. Okay, so let's do the flip through. Please stay with me till the end of this video.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. 'Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I'm back. Thank you so much for staying with me. And I hope that you like the flip through and you like this journal. Let me know what you think. This again will be listed in my Etsy shop tonight, and the link will be in my description. Thanks again, everyone, for staying and for supporting my work. Remember, I appreciate you all. Stay safe, everybody. God bless you. Bye now, till next time.